Hi, we're the duck-billed dinosaurs, and this is our house. What do you think? Isn't it a nice house? Sure thing. I like this house so much. What do you like to do for free time? Well, I'll show you. Wow, this is the inside of the house. That's right. Here's my upstairs area. This is where I sleep. This is my bed. I like to sleep here. Wow, that's so nice. What else do you do at your house? Well, I have a dinner table. Let's take a look at that. We can sit down at the dinner table and we can eat all kinds of food. And so on. What's your favorite food? Well, I like cereal. Really? I like to eat broccoli and radishes. Ooh, that sounds really healthy. It is. Rawr! Rawr! Oh, here comes Tyrannosaurus and his friend Bob. Hi guys, how are you doing? We're doing fine. I'm wondering, do you have any other hobbies? Sure, of course I do. Let me show you. Wow, what's this? This is my other hobby. It's gardening. I like to garden. Wow, when you garden, you make all kinds of healthy fruits and vegetables. Look at that. Wow, pumpkins. What other vegetables do you see here? Well, I see cauliflower. And I see carrots. Yummy. Let's harvest some of this fruit and vegetables. One cauliflower, one cabbage. Yay, look at all that. Put it on the table here so we can all eat it later. Jang. And another thing I like to do is the following. This is watering the fruits and vegetables. We have to water plants in order for them to grow well. Thanks for helping water the plants and vegetables, Bob. Of course, I love it. It's so fun. After all that hard work, I think we should have some snacks. I think that's a good idea. Here is our first snack. What is that? Let's look. It's a pretzel. It's a pretzel. What color is that pretzel? It's brown with some white cream. Our next snack is a fruit drink. A fruit drink. Wow, that cup is so cute. What color is it? It's pink. What else are we going to have for snack? Jang! We're going to have some cake. Some cake. Wow, that's a pretty cake. It's brown and yellow. Nom, 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 nom. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. So good. But the most important thing to eat now is some vegetables. Yay! We're gonna have some pumpkin and squash and a little bit of, what is this, boys and girls? Carrots. Carrots. Orange carrots. Yum, 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 yum. That was so tasty. Yeah, it was. I hope we have some more next time. Of course. So what did we learn today, boys and girls? We learned about watering plants, and all kinds of gardening. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.